FSLY stock analysis. Am I buying? Am I not? Watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm gonna start off with the fact that this is a great performance, right? 26% up. It's not small lead. Fastly, I mean, you can see beforehand, if as long as there was a shift and also some sort of candles, I would have probably sold. But you can see we quite literally just gapped up, you know, it never happened. So yeah, that's great. This is great. It's awesome. The only way that I'm gonna look to put it, maybe double down on this is if the... I'm just gonna mark up my top. Yeah, there you go. So I was saying, yeah, maybe if it does pull, show me a little. I mean, I'm praying for confirmation corrections, because without these corrections, then I'm obviously not just gonna buy because it's at the top. No, obviously I'm just sticking to my edge that I've tested for 40,000 videos. And this is all it's actually is. Obviously, not looking to overcomplicate stuff, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.